Hello. We've got a long-awaited spell of dry and sunny weather for many of us over the next few days. Not quite dry everywhere, a bit of rain around across the far north of Scotland, and we'll also see some misty, murky patches during the mornings. They could be a little bit slow to clear. So not wall-to-wall blue skies for the next few days, but high pressure is bringing a lot of dry, settled weather with light winds too. Now, we're likely to start Thursday morning with that patchy rain in the far northwest, but further south, I think some mist and some fog patches around here and there, particularly so for parts of the southwest of England and Wales. Could be some mistiness creeping into East Anglia, around some of these Irish sea coasts to the Isle of Man, towards Cumbria. Some of that fog could be quite slow to clear. For Scotland, there'll be some brighter spells across eastern areas like Aberdeenshire, for instance, but there'll be more cloud and outbreaks of rain moving in across the Western Isles, parts of Highland too. That rain looks like it eases away, pushes a little bit further northwards. So for much of the UK, dry with sunny spells, and that's going to lift those temperatures to somewhere between around 19 to 22 degrees for many of us, just a little bit cooler across the north of Scotland. Now through Thursday evening, overnight into Friday, we've got some more rain that'll push across parts of Highland. Elsewhere, dry once again, relatively mild temperatures in double figures for many of us. But again, I think Friday morning could see a few misty patches that will gradually clear away. So Friday itself, I think longer spells of sunshine on offer, light winds, and those temperatures probably up a degree or so. So more widely, we're looking at temperatures in the low 20s, possibly the mid 20s in the south. Still a little cooler than that for Stornoway and Lerwick, for instance. Into the weekend, high pressure still close, but it slips away towards the east, and that will just open the doors for areas of low pressure to try and move in from the west. But I think Saturday itself, good deal of dry weather. Cloud will tend to bubble up through the day, and that could just spark off one or two showers, perhaps northern England, southern Scotland, but they'll be hit and miss. Temperatures are again up in the mid-20s, could see 24 in one or two places. Similar start to the day on Sunday, but you'll notice these showers trying to push in towards the west. They could be quite slow moving, potentially heavy and thundery in places. Where it does stay dry, probably towards the south and southeast, we could well see temperatures again in the mid-20s. But then it looks like the showers will dominate as we head into next week. So more unsettled weather on the cards for the start of next week. Still a little bit warmer than average, but not as warm as